Hi, I'm Sean with Collision 24. Here we have an Infiniti G37 that was in an accident. We replaced the fender. The fender was damaged. Front bumper cover was replaced. And we went ahead and replaced the radiator support that was damaged as well. A lot of these components were removed. We checked for any other kind of damage, and the car is sound now. Also, you can see we have a donut on it. We had to go ahead and replace a new tire, and we repaired the wheel. The wheel looks great. Looks brand new. That's actually the original wheel. So if you have anything large damage, small damage, bring it on down to Collision 24.